I enjoy the outdoors. I enjoy raising cattle. I enjoy watching black cattle graze green grass. It's an honor to be able to provide food to individuals all over the United States and all over the world. You're able to touch so many lives in that way. And you know, if not for farmers, everybody would have to try to plant a garden or something of that magnitude. So we make sure that they are healthy and that they can go to work every day. My name is Don Means. I'm the owner of Circle M Ranch located in Eutaw, Alabama. We operate a cow-calf operation. Our cattle are basically Bringers type, and we cross them with key Angus and Ultra black bulls. I'm a fifth generation farmer on some of this property, and we've transitioned over the years from planting soybeans and corn, and so now we just pretty much concentrate on cattle. Today on our farm, we utilize rotational grazing because it allows the cattle to more efficiently use the forage, and it also allows the cattle to distribute manure, which helps to enrich the soil. For someone just getting started in cattle business, I would recommend to them to buy the best cattle that they can afford, be it cows or be it bulls. The amount of feed and the quality of feed it takes to maintain those animals is the same if you've got good quality cattle or if you don't. I think I started with Ag Credit in 2013, but 2012 I worked with a government entity that provided my financing for me, and I actually had to graduate out of the program in order to expand. So at that point, I was looking to find a lender that, in essence, was involved in agriculture, that understood agricultural issues. And so I ended up with Ag Credit because of some references from some friends of mine.